Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Preeti. For today's video I wanna share with you guys this clean makeup look. It's basically chic and sleek makeup look and no makeup look. Well, I did not make hair sleek because I don't like it. So let's jump into the tutorial. Actually, I do my skincare because it's so important to do any makeup look. And I already washed my face. Now I am going to spray rose water on my face. This is Ayurveda rose water and just dab it into my skin. Now I am moisturize my skin with Bioderma cream and I apply it on my damp skin because it's lock the moisture into skin, and I gently massage it. Now I am prep my lips with help of Vaseline. You can use any lip balm of your choice. Now I am going to do makeup base, and it's so important to do a good smooth base for clean makeup look. I am using Color Bar makeup primer in my target areas where I have some open pores. That's why I take a little amount of it and apply it in my cheeks and nose and mouth areas. Now I am applying sugar jelly highlighter before applying the foundation for the natural and glowy skin. I take a little and apply my high points of cheeks and nose. After this, I take small amount of moisturizer and I apply it on my highlighter, and this way you achieve a very smooth and natural glow. See the glow, how well is my skin glowing. This moisturizer and highlighter hacks work so well, so try this. Now I am applying foundation. This foundation is L'Oreal Infallible 24 Hours Fresh Wear Foundation. This foundation is my favorite foundation. It's a great foundation, not so matte, not so dewy. It's a liquid formula and it's waterproof, sweatproof, transfer-proof, lightweight and breathable, not heavy. This foundation is great for this look. I mix little bit of moisturizer with foundation because it gives a glowy natural look. I apply it in dot form and all over my face and neck. Then I apply it with help of beauty blender. Now I take L'Oreal Paris Infallible Concealer and apply it on my face where I have discoloration or patches, and you see I apply very little amount of concealer and blend with the same sponge. Then I apply Lakme 925 Compact my mouth and eye and nose areas to set the makeup. Now it's time to apply blush, and for this I use L'Oreal liquid lipstick shade number 139. This shade is pretty and suit all skin tone. I apply this on my cheeks and nose and blend it with my hand. I apply this in this way because I want sun-kissed, smooth, natural flush of color on my face. And lastly, I blend it with beauty blender to make sure it's blend properly. Now I apply Etude eyebrow pencil. Firstly, I brush my eyebrow and make a shape, and then I apply eye pencil on my hair direction. Not do it very dark, I just apply it very little. Then I apply bronzer. Use Sugar Face palette bronzer. And I take a big angular brush and take the bronzer, apply it in very gentle hand. I don't want very sharp look. And I apply it side of my cheek, side of my nose and forehead. And then I blend it with sponge because I don't want harsh line. And it's time to do eye makeup. For this I use Sugar eyeshadow palette shade number 04 Fetish, and I take a brown color and apply this in my crease line and blend it, and it's done. In this way it's look like a shadow effect on the eyelid or not a eyeshadow look. I am applying L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara, and firstly I apply it inward direction and then upward for the more volume and length. Then I apply same sugar highlighter on the high point of my cheeks for more glow. And it's time to apply lipstick, and it's the same shade of lipstick that I use on my cheeks. This shade is very pretty and peach nude color. So go to the final look. For this makeup look I try various of hairstyles, and this makeup look so beautiful on all the hairstyles I try. I hope you enjoy the video. If you are new to here, please subscribe my channel, hit the bell notification on and like the video.